Hey guys, I am out driving around. I'm down here in Oklahoma and drove by this boat here and wanted to stop and make a short little video of it and show you what it is. It says it's an 82 skiff craft. They want they want $1,650 with the trailer. $1,650. It's a wooden boat, and it says 82, but I can't believe it's an 82. That cannot be right. Trailer's in better shape than the boat, but that's what it says, a skiff craft. Manufactured Henry Boats Incorporated. Looks like Plain City, Ohio. It's got a single inboard. It's got trim tabs on it. Pretty rough shape. Looks like it might have one cabin in it. Looks like they might have hit something and then tried to fix it with some screws in there. Pretty cool. I've got a boat that I'm going to show you in my next video, but I wanted to take a quick video of this one. Enjoy. We'll talk to y'all soon.